If you're watching this, you probably feel lost. But let me tell you the brutal truth. You are not lost. You are simply surrounded by the wrong ideas. The greatest lie your mind tells you is the illusion of time. It whispers, you have tomorrow. That simple lie has destroyed years of progress, dreams, and self-belief. Life does not punish you with failure. Life punishes you with repetition. It makes your days identical until you forget you are capable of breaking the pattern. You are currently trapped inside an old story, a version of yourself that simply refuses to die. You are waiting for motivation. You are waiting for confidence. But confidence is not a feeling that arrives on a clear morning. It is a quiet, inner awareness that you have value. True confidence is built after you act, not before. It emerges from small, consistent achievement that no one else sees. It is your ability to tell yourself, I did this, so I can do something bigger. The power was always within you. It was just hiding behind a past disappointment or a harsh word. The path to real power begins with a radical step: reconciliation with your true self. You are not perfect, and you are not as weak as your fear believes. You are a human being who is learning. Nothing is built on self-hatred. Once you have reconciled with yourself, you need a strategy. This is where discipline takes over. Break the big goal into small, daily steps. Organize your environment before you try to change your behavior. Your environment is not a luxury. It is the foundation. A chaotic desk, a cluttered room, a phone full of distractions. These consume your energy. Consistency is the engine that transforms dreams into reality. When you face an unexpected challenge, remember this. Successful people don't get frustrated by mistakes. They treat them as lessons. The mind often forgets the words, but the body remembers the action. Your consistent daily action, the physical movement, is what your brain locks onto. Don't just repeat the promise, repeat the action. Stop making decisions based on how you feel tonight. Start making decisions based on who you want to become tomorrow. The biggest change is not a miracle. It requires one decision. Let go of the need for validation. Let go of the guilt. Your power resides in the present moment. Take a deep breath, accept the journey, and decide to repair what is broken. Embrace the quiet process. Fall in love with the unglamorous work. If you are serious about playing the long game, make one decision right now. Start the quiet work today. This is your rebirth. Hit the subscribe button to join the journey and keep building.